What are you doing? Are you ready to get out of bed? Come on. Come on. Get down. I'm not ready yet. Come on. You can do it. You're a happy girl. You're a happy girl. Look at that tail. Come on. Can you slither? Look at those ears. You don't know what direction they're going in. Come on. Oh, you're so sleepy. Come on. Come on, Ellie. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Get down. Come on. Come on. Boy, it took you a while to figure out getting up on the bed, and now there's just no getting you off the bed. Come on, big girl. Come on. Let's do some slithering. Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Funny, Ellie. Look at those. Look at you. Look at you, silly girl. Come on. No, I'm not getting up yet. I don't want to. But I'm just going to sit here with my paws hanging over the bed. You're feeling much better. Yes, you had your Spay surgery and you're really milking this bed rest thing. Yeah, you are. I'm just going to stay on bed rest. My ears are tired too. Oh, Ellie, we love you so much. You're such a funny girl.